Alright, giving you an update. I know I promised I was gonna show a video of it running, but I just want to show something. This is the reason why I'm keeping the V6 in the van. For one, simplicity. Since the 350's got more head bolts, I mean, it's probably durable, but it's way easier with the V6. There's fewer bolts, and besides that, this van is just for daily drivers, so I'm not gonna do any kind of racing or anything like that. But I'm happy with the results. Got the new head bolts torqued with the head gasket. New head gasket is in place as well. And all I had to use was, I got my torque wrench there. Use a short extension, and also use this with a wobbly end, which helped me a lot for the last three. Those are the only threes I had to use this wobbly bit, but it worked. I didn't have to move the engine or anything, or raise up the engine or move something out of the way. Just took my time, but I got it done within an hour. But thought I'd post this video just to let you know it's just the simplicity of this motor. That's why I'm keeping it in here. So stay tuned. I'll post of it running soon.